Oh, what is this? The spider looks like a little crab. Look at him running. I'm gonna have to grab him. I don't know if it's a dangerous spider. Come here. Let's go. Don't bite me. I'm gonna help you get out if you're okay, but don't bite me. It's like... What are these little twiggy stuff coming out here? Let's get all those stringy fibers tucked back in there. Come on, guy. Come on. You're going the wrong way. You gotta go to the back. Or I guess... Oh, I guess you can go out if you want. You wanna go out that way? Ugh. Come on. Come on. Go out. I need to get up. Hold on. Hey, where do you think you're going? Come here. Go the other way. Yeah, right there, and... Oh no, don't go in the trims. Can't even see what I'm recording here. Hey, go the other way. Yeah, go out there. Go out there. Good job. There we go.